This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings so you can act quickly. Open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. Make sure you have your passcode nearby because some changes require confirmation. First, flip the Predictive toggle off to stop suggestions immediately while you prepare deeper cleanup. Once done, glance at text replacement entries. These store custom shortcuts and can reintroduce words if not removed. You're doing this to erase learned, unwanted suggestions and prevent them from resurfacing while you continue with the reset process. Now you'll remove the learned data that creates those predictive words. Go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Confirm with your passcode when prompted. This clears the learned vocabulary the keyboard accumulated over time. Next, return to Keyboard and tap Text Replacement to manually delete any saved shortcuts that could reintroduce unwanted words. Make sure to review multiple keyboard languages if you use them, because each language can store its own learned suggestions and replacements. Finish by deciding whether to re-enable Predictive, toggle it back on to generate fresh suggestions from scratch, or leave it off if you prefer no predictions. Restart your iPhone to ensure changes fully apply, then open Messages or Notes and type a few words to verify predictions are gone or reset. If unwanted words persist, make sure iOS is up to date and remove any extra keyboards or third-party keyboards, because they can reintroduce suggestions. Update, restart, and recheck as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.